In this video, we'll be setting up the private route so that in the sense somebody cannot access the parent app without being authenticated or logged in. So we move to our client folder and create a new folder, which is going to be the libs folder containing helper functions. We'll create a new folder again, call it auth, and create a new file under the auth folder, private route.js. Here we're just gonna drop in the helper code that sits through our pages to know if a user is logged in or not. So we post route and redirect from React router down. Then we create a function for our private route, go to props, want to get all the properties from the components. So we create a user variable and set it as null for now. Later we'll come and work on it. Then we'll create a rule. If it's not user, it should return and we direct the user to log in. That's if the user doesn't pass the authentication. So now return the route, take all the properties as the user passes the above condition. Then we'll come to our route file, import the private route. Then for the main pages we want to protect, we're going to change the route to private route. Save that, head on to our client side, test it out. We'll try to access the parent page that says redirecting automatically to login. Yes, everything is working.